Are you ready? Because I'm ready now. Welcome to Lake County Euros. My name's Frankie. This is Fixin' It Friday. Today we have a pretty cool Father's Day edition. So this car belongs to a father named Greg, and for Father's Day his family has chose to gift him all of these beautiful parts for this 2019 Audi S5. So we're gonna go down the line. We're gonna start with 034 or 034, however you want to say it. We're gonna be using their driveline kits. So these are all the inserts for the drive lines. We're gonna be doing lowering springs. We're also going to be doing a sway bar. On top of improving the suspension that this car definitely needs, we're also going to be improving the sound. So this is from APR, their catback system. So we have everything coming down from after the catalytic converter to the mid resonator to the mufflers on the back. This will just help the car breathe a lot better. Enjoy the video. We're going to be doing a couple clips of Gerald actually installing it, and you will basically hear the before and after. And if you guys have an A4, S5, A5, S4, Q5, anything with the 3-liter turbocharged motor in it, this will essentially fit all those platforms. So if you guys are tired of not being able to hear your cars and you want it to sound a little bit like this, give us a call. We'll take care of you. Catch you next time.